Hello everybody, it's TechTipsta here today, introducing you to a new distribution that you should keep an eye on if you are a gamer. It is known as Lakka, and like RetroPie, it's a lightweight Linux distribution that focuses on retro gaming. Now why would you be interested in this? Well, RetroPie is great, but you may not like the look. Lakka opts to go with a very PlayStation-esque XMB style interface, with consoles running horizontally across the screen and their respective games running vertically. It looks pretty, and even though the build I'm running looks fairly plain Jane, some of the newer builds available on other systems look great with coloured icons and a lot more variety. Another great thing it has going for it is its attempt to simplify setup and configuration of various things, including controllers, display and audio settings. We have this settings menu on the far left, and as I go through you can see how much they've crammed in here. It really makes it easy that you can modify things directly from here without the need for a keyboard. RetroPie has taken strides to make this better in the 3.0 release, but they do have a long way to go if they want to cater to the more casual user. Out of the box, this setup will work great with a DualShock 3 and X360 controller, and it does seem to work well. Not perfectly, but well. One thing I do like is the ability to return to the XMB during a game, change some settings and then jump straight back into it, just like on the modern consoles. And all this takes is a press of the center button. The console list is very similar to other distributions since it uses the LibRetro ecosystem. I did see some interesting options like Wonder and PSP, but don't expect that one to run smoothly anytime soon on your ODroid or Raspberry Pi. I'm currently running this on my ODroid C1, and system selection is good, but it is missing some of the systems like N64 at the moment. If you were to run this on your Pi, you could expect a more complete build since it has been developed longer. Since this is an early build, I'm not going to talk about bugs or issues I am finding, as that wouldn't be fair. What I do want you to know is that there are other options out there, and they could develop into very interesting options for us gamers. Competition is good and choice is even better, so keep an eye on Lakka, and it may very well be the next upgrade on your Raspberry Pi. If you are the curious type, you can even try this right now, so head down to the description and find a link to download Lakka.